Hi friends, this is the third part of Blender Game Engine tutorial. In this video, we are creating a new level and giving details to our game. So let's continue. First press Shift A and our lamp sun. Now move to Z axis, rotate to Y. Now delete the default lamp in the Blender and move Z axis and move Hemi to Z axis. Now go to layer 2, select point, add sensor, always add actuator, motion, simple motion and rotation. Click on the L icon, rotation Z2, Y2 and X2. Now join always and motion actuator. Then select oval horizontal color, the background color of our game will be orange. You can change what color you want. Press alternative C and mesh from curve, then add color to the point option. Also in the number. Then name it point level 1. Then the name of scene level 1. Now when we play, you can see the game is looking good. Now we are adding a new level to our game. So add new scene, full copy. Now change the name to level 2 and add one more point level and also change its name to point level 2. Then go to level 2, select the camera and change the overlay scene to point level 2 and add actuator. Scene mode will be remove scene, join always and remove scene. The scene will be point level 1. Then we will add the level. Add more points and then add a new surface platform or ramp, we can say. So press Shift A, mesh, cube. Now duplicate it by pressing Shift D, Y to 2, then scale Z to Z axis and press 3. Now move to Y axis, then add points by press Shift S, cursor to selected, then press Shift A, not Shift A. Move the coin to up forward of the surface. Press Shift D, Y axis, then press 3, and then move down to the surface. Also in this surface also. Now add color to this. I will add red. You can add your color, default color, what you want, what color you want. Then change the position of the camera. Now when you play, you can see the coins are there and the player can jump and collect coins from this platform. So go to level 1. In level 1, when you collect all coins, the player doesn't move to level 2. So go to layer 2, select player, add sensor property, close the property message and collision, add actuator, scene, then go down. Property will be 1 and value will be 5, and mode will be set scene, scene will be level 2. Now join property and scene. Now play the game from level 1. Oh, sorry. Now when we collect all coins, the player moves from level 1 to level 2. In the next video, we are adding more things to our game, and again a new level 3 we are adding. Thank you for watching.